Hello kids, welcome back to my new video. I am Samina. Today we paint the healthy fruits umbrella on beach side. Kids, this beautiful color goes in the fruits umbrella and sun. Yellow color. Orange color. Let's learn together with me. This video is very knowledgeable. Nice. Purple color. I like the beach side. Green color. Orange color. Blue color. Pink color.
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to my loo, my
Brown color. Now we paint the healthy fruits. Green color in pineapple. Pineapple leaves are ready. Orange color in pineapple. Nice. Light green color in coconut. Yellow color. Green color in watermelon. Red color in watermelon slice. Wow, looks very good. Yellow color in lemon slice. Straw and lemon juice. Orange color. Wow, looks very nice. Light yellow color on sand. Wow, kids, our beautiful healthy fruits and sun and beautiful umbrella with beautiful color is ready. Subscribe my channel. I hope you will like this video very much. See you next video. Bye bye.